Hey everyone, Corey, Next Day Stamps and Engraving. Want to take the time to say thank you for buying our license plates and our mounting kits. Today we're going to be putting a plate on my own personal vehicle. We got a 2020 Polaris Ranger XP1000 Crew. So I got a helper today. My daughter's filming using the camera. Thank you, Sophia. We're going to show you how to use the mounting kit with the plate. Real easy, real quick. Come on over. Got my helper Jake here. Everyone say hi to Jake. Jake's my good friend's son. So anyway, you get your wonderful, nice metal plate from us, but then we also sell a mounting kit. You can see the mounting kit has rubber inserts. There's four different sizes of the rubber inserts. So figure out what size you need to go around your horizontal tube bar, all right? So basically, you got the flat part of it. You can use it either way. You can mount it that way where most of the plate is sitting on there. You want to mount it that way, you can do it too. Whatever you feel is the best. You also have some two-way heavy-duty stick cushion tape in addition to the bolts that go through here. But a lot of that cushion tape I like to use if you get the plastic plate, the heavy-duty engraved plate with the mount. So then you can put that here, you cut it, it peels and sticks to here, and then the other side will stick to here. So not only for the plastic plates can you use the two-way heavy-duty stick tape, but you're also going to use the bolt to mount it. So I've already got, you can see I've got some inserts here. They're all different size inserts. Jake and I already figured out it wasn't rocket science, but we figured out which one we're going to use. So, and Jake, you've got those. Got the hex screws here, which go through one end and thread into the other side. So we're going to put that on right now. Jake, hold on to that. So I'm going to put this particular one in this position, the up position, with the plate going on like that. So we're going to go like this. All right, Jake. Put that on. Let's see if we can get this on the first time here. But if you got a steadier hand than me, you're going to do this a lot easier. I should have been doing this up in the air. If you look down here, you can see I've got it on here just real kind of loose. So I'm going to put the other one on. The other one's going to go on the same way. And then once it's on, I can shift these right to left to center, and then I can put my plate on. So it's easy as that, guys. Not rocket science, but I'll tell you what, the mounting kit is a lot easier when buying any of these plates if you have a horizontal bar that you can attach to. Okay, we're back. We're still working on this little mount. It's only been a few minutes, so it's not like it's taken all day. Here's our plate. You get a bag with a hex nut and a hex bolt and a locking washer. So basically, you know, you can move these and center these where you want them. So we kind of did that right now. So we're going to put the bolt through. Just doing a little hand tight here. Again, I'm just going to put this on loose. Everything I put on was loose because if I need to adjust, I can adjust. Jake, you got the other one here? Let's see where we're at. Once you got it on, you can take a look from the rear of the machine to see if you're happy with the center of it. If not, again, you can readjust. There you go.
Good job, Dad.
Hey, there you go. It's not that hard.
Beautiful.
All right. Have a great day. You guys keep buying those plates, keep buying those mounting kits, and it'll go as easy as it did for us. Thank you, guys.